I'm Ben Van Dillen and I'm the Technical Operations Manager for the Geelong Arts Centre. The Playhouse Theatre is a proscenium arch theatre in Geelong. It's the largest venue in the Geelong Arts Centre campus and hosts a range of everything from rock and roll shows to theatre shows to musicals and operas. During 2020, the Arts Centre got given a bit of money to upgrade the entire campus, and as part of that we were able to upgrade the PA system, the rigging system, lighting, dimmers. The previous rigging system was a side-loading system which was built back in 1982. The system had a few gaps in spots where they didn't put in all the fly lines initially. The weights were a lot bigger, clunkier, heavier, harder to use. So part of what we wanted to do with this scope was to put in a system that was a little bit future-proof, something that was going to allow for safe, easy movement of counterweights throughout the venue and make it as safe and easy for people to use. From the initial conversations with the PA people, we were able to get them to take our idea of what we wanted to achieve out of this system. The PA people came back to us with this new Theatrequip front-loading counterweight fly system, which was then installed and commissioned by the PA people. So the front-loading system contains 4 compartments. Each compartment can be individually loaded, so regardless of where the cradle is in the grid at the time that it needs to be loaded, you can just load the closest cradle to where you're positioned at that time. The cradles themselves have a locking door on the front, which stops allowing the counterweights to be able to move or fall out, and they also tilt backwards, which pushes the counterweights into the cradle itself. Through that build, we're also able to expand the counterweight fly system, not only in the capacity of the lines, but also to add in those additional lines that were missing from the original build to fit out the full playhouse.
So there was some really important work done by the PA people in their design of the rigging infrastructure to ensure that the speakers were as high up as they could be. They could easily be lowered down for maintenance and augmentation if needed. The significance of rigging in a theatre is the hidden gems which most of the audience won't actually see, but it's what creates the art, the presence on the stage and gets the things to happen, all the cool things that we come to see in theatres like this. Without it, theatre would be very static. So the ability for this theatre to now present three-dimensional stage activity is quite significant. I think this has really taken this theatre into its next generation for not just performers, but the technicians and the audience to enjoy a completely improved experience in the theatre.
We're extremely happy with the Theatrequip front-loading counterweight fly system. Our crew love it. It's easy to use. Everything from the day that we've installed it until now, the operation's been great and the PA people have been there to support us the whole way.